Once in a village, a husband and wife saw three old men sitting outside their house. They were sitting there for quite a while. The wife went outside and said, "We don't know you, but we saw that you are sitting there for long. You must be hungry. My husband and I are inviting you all. Please come inside and have some food with us." They replied, "We do not go inside a house together." When she asked why, one of the old men explained, "His name is Wealth. If he goes with you, your home will be filled with wealth always, and he is success. If he goes with you, you will always be successful in any endeavor you start. And I am love. If I go with you, your house will be filled with love always." Then he told her to go in and discuss with her husband which one of them they want in their home. Her husband was overjoyed hearing about it and said, "Let's invite Wealth. Let him come and fill our home with wealth." His wife said, "Why don't we invite Success?" After some discussions, the wife went out and said, "Which one of you is Love? Please come in and be our guest." Love got up and started walking toward the house. Just then the other two also got up and started following him. The woman asked, "You said you cannot all can come together. Why are you all coming in?" The old man replied, "If you would have invited Wealth or Success, then the other two would have stayed outside. But since you invite Love, wherever he goes, we go with him. Wherever there is love, wealth and success will follow."